So we top up. Here we top up the battery. Let's just send it again. Wow. Wow. She was singing there like. Oh, you have to forgive me because she ran right up that curb there. She ran right up the curb. I was afraid of getting out of her like she was. There's a few bumps in close to there, there's drains and stuff. My heart was in my mouth. I'm sorry I couldn't say anything there. Gee, I'm a beat. What was I? Never do a last run. Happy with that. That's me done for the night. Woohoo! She did seem like she was going a bit better, like, I have to admit. If she was another 147 I'd be happy, but she was running straight down that curb. There's a plane coming. She ran straight down that curb. That scared the absolute living daylights out of me. So it did. Let's see. Excuse me. Let's see what we got. Give me more, but I doubt it because she must have been an inch or two off that curb. God knows what speed. Stop, start, 145. She was a terrible, terrible run. That'll do me.